check out our newest feature release. This is all about collective booking in the calendar app for multiple team members on your team. Now, with this update, you can enable dynamic team member selection in the CRM's booking system. Why it matters and how this is going to help you and your business. Well, now you can dynamically select and add team members during appointment bookings. This is also going to allow you to streamline on the fly scheduling for scenarios like inbound calls or chats. It's also going to allow you to create flexible team member combinations in real time. What I personally love about this feature is when you've got to quickly add a team member so that this new appointment is on their calendar and they're planning for it, this makes it simple and easy. All you do is go into the calendar and just simply add them. It's that easy. I love this feature update and I think you will too. So first we're going to go ahead and create an appointment. So go to calendars, then go to appointments in that upper navigation, and then click on new appointment. Now let's just create any type of appointment. You want to go ahead and use some type of calendar that is allotted for your collective calendar bookings. Really, it can pretty much be anything. There isn't anything that is going to limit you in this, but it does need to be a collective calendar. It's something that allows multiple people to be on that appointment. And so now what you're going to see is that under the team members area, you can now add multiple team members. So you don't see names on mine, but you can see where each of the X's is. And in this scenario, I would be going and adding a third person. So you can see how simple that is. What's great is you are going to also, these notifications are going to go out when a team member is selected, but you're also going to find out if that team member is unavailable. So as you can see on my example, John is highlighted in red, letting me know that he is not available for this time slot. I don't need to look at his calendar individually. It's going to let me know. Now, if it's really important for John to be on this call, then obviously we're going to need to change that time. But we might not just be able to include John on this call, and that's okay. It makes it easy for us to figure that out. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.